Hello students. In today's class, we shall discuss about Grignard synthesis. Now, let's know about what is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents are organomagnesium halides having the general formula R-MgX. Now, here R is a hydrocarbon group such as alkyl, 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree alkyl, allylic or aryl. And what is X? X is chlorine, bromine or iodine, and Mg is magnesium. Now, we shall study about preparation of Grignard reagent. Now, Grignard reagents are usually prepared by the reaction of an organic halide and magnesium turning in alcohol-free ether. So, we take alkyl halide and magnesium. In the presence of diether, they react and gives product R-MgX. This R-MgX is known as a Grignard reagent. Now, Grignard reagent behaves as if it contained a carbanion. The nucleophilic hydrocarbon group attacks the carbonyl carbon of an aldehyde or ketone to form a halomagnesium alkoxide, which is subsequently converted to the corresponding alcohol simply by the addition of water or dilute mineral acid. Now, let's see what is about this. This is a carbonyl compound and this is Grignard reagent. Now, in Grignard reagent, this bond breaks and this attacks this carbonyl carbon and this bond shifts to here to here. And in the presence of diether, this bond shifts from here to here. And in the presence of the diether, we get this halomagnesium alkoxide. And when we treated this halomagnesium alkoxide by dilute HCl or water, we get this compound. So students, how we write? Now see. See, these are empty. Here R is attached and here O minus MgX plus added. And when we treated this by H3O plus, what we get? We get here OH minus is come here and R remains same. Next is Grignard synthesis of alcohols. Now, if we want to get 1 degree alcohol, we should be react formaldehyde and Grignard reagent. Here we take formaldehyde and Grignard reagent. So this bond break. These R attacks in this carbonyl carbon and this bond shifts from here to here. And in the presence of diether, we get this compound. Here H and H same C. R is added here and O minus MgX. Now, when we treated this by H3O plus, we get H. Here OH is added and this is R and we get what is this? 1 degree alcohol. So this is so easy. Are you understand students? Now do this aldehyde plus R-MgX. Pause the video and try to do this and tell me what will be the answer. Now let's do aldehyde and Grignard reagent reacts in presence of diether and we get H R dash. Here R is added and O minus MgX plus. Now it is treated by H3O plus and we get HCr R dash OH, which is 2 degree alcohol. Now we take ketone and Grignard reagent. Students, pause the video and do it. And tell me the answer in the comment section. Now, see the answer. This bond breaks and these are attacked to this carbonyl carbon and this bond shifts from here to here, and as a result we get R double dash, R dash, C, R is added here, O minus MgX plus, and when we treated this compound by H3O plus, here OH and the others are same. What is this? This is 3-degree alcohol. Now we see Grignard synthesis of carboxylic acid. So we take O double bond O plus R-MgX. Here this bond breaks, this attack to this carbonyl carbon, this bond shifts from here to here. In the presence of dry ether, we get this compound O double bond Cr, O minus MgX plus. Now when we treated this by H3O plus, we get O double bond C R OH. Now next we see Grignard synthesis of aldehyde. So for synthesis of aldehyde by Grignard reagents, we take ethyl formate HC double bond O OC2H5. What is this? This is ethyl formate and reacts with Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether. The same case will happen here. This bond break, this will attack in this carbonyl carbon and this double bond shifts from here to here, and as a result we get HCr OC2H5 O minus Mg plus X, and in the presence of minus Mg OC2H5 X, this will be removed from this, and here we get RCH double bond O, which is an aldehyde. So from ethyl formate and in the presence of Grignard reagent and dry ether, we get aldehyde. Now another process for synthesis of aldehyde. Here we take ethyl orthoformate. What? Ethyl orthoformate is taken here. Now here also Grignard reagent, this bond breaks, this will attack here, this bond break, and in the presence of dry ether we get these are attacked here, RCH OC2H5 whole twice, which is an acetal. Now when we treated this acetal by H3O plus, we get RCH double bond O, which is an aldehyde. So understand, student? Now next one is hydrogen cyanide reacts with R-MgX in the presence of dry ether. Try to write the product. Pause the video and try to write the product. Now let's start. Here this bond breaks, this will attack here, and this bond come here, and we get HCr double bond N minus Mg plus X. Now when we treated this by H3O plus, we get HCr double bond NH, which is called imine. This is imine. Now again, if we treat this compound by H3O plus, we get RCH double bond O, which is also a aldehyde. Now next we did the Grignard synthesis of ketone. How we prepare ketone by Grignard synthesis. Now we take orthoester and it reacts with Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether. This bond breaks, these are attacks here, this bond breaks also, and this is removed, and we get R dash Cr OC2H5 whole twice, which is a ketal. What is this? This is a ketal. When we treat this ketal by H3O plus, what we get? We get RC double bond O R dash, which is a ketone, plus 2C2H5OH. Understand? Now next is RC double bond O Cl plus R-MgX. Pause the video and try to do the reaction. This bond breaks and this R dash attack to this carbonyl carbon and this bond shifts from here to here. And as a result we get RCR dash Cl O minus MgX. Now here MgClX removed from this compound and we get RC double bond O R dash which is also a ketone.